Good morning to you. Thanks for your company this Monday, the 26th of October. I'm Jessica Amir, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, even though there's just 8 days until the US election, the focus this week is on economic news, with economic growth data out for Australia and the US for the third quarter. So we'll see how much our economies pull back then. Elsewhere, the ECB and the Bank of Japan announced their monetary policy decisions. So all eyes will be on those economic announcements. And in terms of earnings results, they continue to come out in the US with Alphabet, Apple, Amazon and Facebook all reporting quarterly results. In Australia, quarterly earnings also continue to come out as well. TPG, ANZ, Janus Henderson and ResMed announcing theirs this week among many. AGM season continues as well locally. Adairs Agro Investments hold their AGMs today with Bendigo and Adelaide Bank and Nick Scali tomorrow among many others this week. So investors have a lot to take in. In terms of what's in store today for local trade, the futures are suggesting the market will start the week up 0.3% following Wall Street's mostly positive close on Friday. What's important to note is we are seeing investors err on the side of caution of late ahead of the US election. Now, this is something that has occurred over the past 100 years before US election, so you could expect this to continue until after an election result. On Friday, nevertheless, we saw the Dow Jones fall 0.1%, the S&P 500 gained 0.3%, and the Nasdaq rose 0.4%. On the commodity front, the oil price has pulled back by 2% exactly. It's now at $39.85 US after ending 2 weeks of gains, while the safe haven gold has fallen under $1,900 an ounce for the first time in some time and then bounced back to $1,905 US an ounce, with investors now drip feeding money back into equity markets and bonds. What else to watch today? On the company news side, some major announcements. Coca-Cola received a takeover proposal worth $9.3 billion from the company that bottles Coca-Cola products in Western Europe. Now, what is the offer worth to you if you're a shareholder? Well, $12.75 per share. And this takeover offer follows several other recent proposals made by Coca-Cola European partners. And Westpac has just announced second half cash earnings will be reduced by $1.22 billion from noteworthy items or write-downs, which are expected to reduce the group's SETI compliance ratio by 0.2%. It's not ideal, but expect more details to be unveiled next week with their results coming out on November the 2nd. As for trading ideas that could be worth a look, Bell Potter upgraded Mineral Resources MIN as a buy, increasing its target to $28.50, implying 14% upside in a year. Bell Potter also upgraded Insurance Australia Group IAG as a buy with a $5.60 target, implying 14.3% upside, and UBS initiated or upgraded Worley Parsons as a buy with a $12.32 target. And lastly, keep an eye on 3 stocks: NRW Holdings, NWH, Charter Hall, CHC, JB Hi-Fi, JBH, all showing bullish charting signals according to Trading Central data. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Thanks for your company. Stay safe.